How to log out of Discord on all devices. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Discord on all devices. So you want to simply make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out your Discord account from all devices, you first of all just launch the Discord application and log into your respective account. Tap the U icon from the bottom right as you can see. Then tap on the gear icon, which is a settings icon from the top right hand side over there. When we do that, you'll come under this page. You simply have to look for an option that says devices and tap on it. When you come to devices, you will see a list of all the devices currently logged into your Discord account. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see an option that says log out all known devices. So if that is what we're looking for, just tap on it. It will ask you to verify with your password. Once you verify with your password and tap and submit, you will be able to log everybody out of your Discord account. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.